Are you looking for an easy way to enhance your garden while keeping weeds at bay? Ground cover plants are the perfect solution. They add texture, color, and practicality to any landscape, filling in empty spaces beautifully. In this video, we'll highlight 10 outstanding ground cover plants that can help you create a lush, well-maintained landscape. Creeping thyme. Not just a beautiful addition to your garden, creeping thyme is also aromatic and edible. This low-growing herb forms a dense mat of tiny leaves, producing delicate pink or purple flowers in the summer. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it an excellent choice for pathways, rock gardens, or as a living mulch. Ajuga. Ajuga is a fast-spreading ground cover known for its glossy, textured foliage and vibrant flower spikes. It comes in various shades, from deep green to burgundy and bronze, adding year-round interest to the garden. In spring, it produces striking blue or purple flowers that attract pollinators. Ideal for shaded or partially shaded areas, Ajuga helps prevent erosion and suppresses weeds effectively. Sedum. If you're looking for a hardy, drought-tolerant ground cover, Sedum is a fantastic option. This succulent thrives in poor soil, forming thick, fleshy leaves that store water. Some varieties, like Sedum Angelina and Dragon's Blood, develop beautiful red and orange hues in cooler months. It blooms in late summer with clusters of tiny star-shaped flowers that attract bees and butterflies. Irish moss. For a soft, moss-like effect, Irish moss is a superb choice. It forms a dense, carpet-like mat of tiny, bright green foliage, creating a lush appearance. In spring, it produces delicate white flowers that add to its charm. Irish moss thrives in partial shade to full sun and prefers moist, well-drained soil. Pachysandra. A popular ground cover for shaded gardens, Pachysandra offers lush green foliage that remains evergreen throughout the year. It grows well under trees or in areas where grass struggles to thrive. In spring, it produces small white flowers, adding a subtle touch of elegance. Pachysandra spreads gradually, forming a thick carpet that helps retain moisture and control weeds. Liriope. Liriope is a tough, adaptable plant with grass-like leaves and striking flower spikes. It thrives in both sun and shade, making it incredibly versatile. In late summer to early fall, it produces vibrant purple or lavender flowers that give way to small black berries. Liriope is excellent for edging, erosion control, and filling in large areas. Hens and Chicks. This charming succulent is as low maintenance as it gets. Hens and chicks form rosette-shaped clusters, with the hen producing small offsets, or chicks, that spread naturally. They thrive in dry, rocky soil and require minimal watering. Available in a variety of colors, from deep green to burgundy and even blue-gray, they add a striking architectural element to any garden. Creeping Jenny. With its bright golden-green foliage, Creeping Jenny brings a cascade of color to garden beds, rock walls, and pathways. It grows quickly, spreading along the ground or trailing beautifully over edges. This plant thrives in moist soil and prefers partial to full sunlight. In summer, it produces small yellow flowers that complement its vibrant leaves. Vinca minor. Vinca minor is a classic ground cover, prized for its glossy green foliage and lovely blue or violet flowers. It thrives in shaded areas and is exceptionally low maintenance. This plant spreads through trailing stems that root along the ground, making it ideal for erosion control on slopes. Its dense growth helps suppress weeds, while its evergreen leaves provide year-round beauty. Sweet woodruff. A shade-loving ground cover, sweet woodruff is known for its delicate star-shaped leaves and fragrant white flowers. It thrives in moist, well-drained soil and spreads gently over time. Often used as a natural mulch under trees and shrubs, it helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. In addition to its beauty, sweet woodruff has a pleasant scent reminiscent of fresh hay, making it a lovely addition to woodland gardens or shaded walkways. Incorporating ground cover plants into your landscape not only enhances its visual appeal, but also provides practical benefits such as weed suppression, erosion control, and moisture retention. Whether you're looking for a vibrant flowering variety or a hardy, low-maintenance option, these plants offer a beautiful and functional solution. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and plant recommendations. Let us know in the comments which ground cover plant is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.